everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're very excited, because I am. It's the new book from Kerby. Yes, super excited for this one. I always pre-order. My pre-orders normally come on the day they release. Mine was 2 days late. So sad. But whatever, I've had luck on all the others. So, this is Dark Fairytales. I love the cover already. Ugh, and it's Kerby, so you know he's going to make these fairy tales, well, dark. And I like that. Alright, I have not opened it, so I'm super excited. Okay. Ooh, the belongs to page. Now, just because these are dark and creepy does not mean you have to do dark and creepy colors. Please keep that in mind. I love this. Venture down the forbidden forest path if you dare. I love dark fairy tales. Anytime like I reread like those dark fairy tale redos, oh, love them. Okay, Rapunzel, obviously, right? This would be so fun to color. Look at all that, like the hair. Oh my gosh, there's hair everywhere. This is amazing. Oh. Okay. So we have a few double page spreads, but not all of them so far. There were like 4 pages in. As always, if you don't like my commentary, click the mute because I comment. Okay, this one looks cool. And normally I'm not into horror and gore type books. I skip those ones, but for Kerby, I'll do anything. Oh my gosh. Peter Pan. That's awesome. Oh, leave it to him to make this just, well, him. I don't like that the double page spread goes into the seam there like that, but whatever. I really like this. Oh my gosh, you know what would be so cool with this page? Bright and cheery, right? And then just dark, murky water with evil, like green skin and all that. Just saying. It'd be kind of fun. I'm pretty sure that's what he was trying to make you do with the reflection, but in case you weren't thinking that. Oh my gosh, this is great. Ooh, I really like this one. Oh, this is going to be amazing. Ooh, is this Frozen? Is Frozen a fairy tale, technically? It's a Disney movie, but isn't it like a Polish or something fairy tale? I don't know. Alright, this double page spread is not the greatest. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah. Red Riding Hood. The paper to me feels the same. I know a few people have said it feels smoother. To me it feels the same. I like smooth paper though, so there's that. Oh, this would be interesting. This one would be weird to color the way it's set up. I'm looking at it from, because this is basically the angle, but it's kind of interesting. I wonder why they did it that way. Ooh, this would be fun. Man, there's so much you could do with this. I'm almost tempted to be a rebel and do it all in bright colors. Like literally pastels and pinks and purples and neons. Because I mean, it's dark fairy tales, but it would be so funny to do that in my head, not everyone else's. I will probably get a second copy of this one. Oh, I like this one. Simply because I would love to do one where like I do the opposite of the title. This is gorgeous. Stunning. Is this a double page spread? It is. It's hard to tell at first, but yeah, it is. Oh wow, check that out. Yep, I'm gonna get 2 copies. One where I will do it. Oh, Cinderella. Pumpkin would be so fun. I'm going to do one in like bright colors that totally contradict. And then I'm going to go for the dark side. Okay, I really like this. Wizard of Oz. Wow. This man, what he thinks up, I wish I could think these things up. Oh, I love it. A lot of double page spreads in here. Alice going down the rabbit hole. Again, this one is like that. I can't say I'm a fan of them like that because one, again, I'm gonna have to break the spine on this bad boy. Ugh, can you hear me struggling against the brand new glue? It's just a awkward way to color them. Ooh, I like that. I like how it's on top of their hats. That's cool. All right. Man, these are fun. Oh, these are so fun. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh, this is cool. Gosh, I don't even know where I would start. Ooh, the rats I might never color the rats. Take it back. I'm going to take Inktense and make them rainbow rats. When in doubt in a Kerby book, I just Inktense over it. This one would be so fun. Except with blue flames. I don't know why, but I just feel blue. Not in that sense, but you know what I mean. Ooh. Interesting. Wow, this is nuts. In a good way. In a good way. I really like this one. Oh, that would be fun. Could make this like all black and purple with a bunch of glitter and white coming in and then swirling all over here into like the happy colors. You don't have to, these are just my ideas. Not a fan of being showing that down her throat, but it is Hansel and Gretel, so this could be fun. Again, colors, bright colors. It would just be fun. All right. I think this is another one. Yep. We got to look at it this way. I do not like that. That's the one thing I'm just like, why? This would be a fun one to color, though. About the fairy tales. So then he goes in and tells you all about them, which is nice. So we got Rapunzel, Bluebeard. Oh, 10 through 13 was Bluebeard. Red Shoes, Little Mermaid. Ah, Sinbad the Sailor. That's the one I was wondering. Snow Queen. Yep. So that is Frozen, which is Snow Queen, by the way. Three Little Pigs. I did not know about that one. The Ugly Duckling. 3 pages. I'll have to go back and double check that. Alibaba. Pinocchio. Yep, I saw those. Cinderella, saw that. Glass Mountain. Wonderful Wizard of Oz, saw that. Definitely saw all those. I'll have to go back and check on the Nutcracker one. Hansel and Gretel I saw because I was like, ah! Jack and the Beanstalk. Beauty and the Beast. Yeah. And that is it, my friends. Wow. This was worth the wait, even if it was late. Curious if you pre-ordered it, what you think. I'm going to actually go order another copy right now because I do really want to do that one in like super bright contrasting colors. And then I want to embrace the dark side and do just, yeah, well, dark. Like everything, blacks, deep blues, reds. Now when you say dark, it doesn't mean you can't put a light color on it. Like the cover, for instance. We got some light blues in here. We got some whites. I just mean the color palette itself is going to be more dark and dreary and not all sunshine and rainbows. But I really want to do a sunshine and rainbows version as well because I'm a total fan of contradiction. So let me know what you thought of this book. I love it. I am going to do a live stream with it this weekend or next, so keep an eye out for that. And until next time, take care. Bye now.